Thanks for coming back to the channel, guys. We are back with another video, and today we are going to be talking about creating a trading community. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it, guys. We're going to be using Ethereum USD as our for all our examples we're going to be doing on the chart. But what do we need a chart for if we are talking about a trading community? This is people we are trying to talking about how you network with other traders and you try to learn from what they know as they learn from what you know. So first thing, for example, we are going to talk about a little bit of the knowledge you understand on the chart. You yourself, you understand how to trade in a trending market. For example, Ethereum USD right here, we can see that here there is a trend that is moving to the upward side, and at a certain point the trend is broken and we see a rejection for our pin bar, and this is an indication to enter a sell right here. Now at this point you enter a sell with a risk of 40 pips and you target something like 60 to 80 pips, which is a 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Now this is good knowledge for you, but someone in your community who is trading doesn't know anything about this, and they are going to benefit if you explain to them what this means. They will learn it, and you, the person explaining the information, you are going to master what you're talking about. So sharing information with other people is not going to decrease anything from your side. What you're going to benefit every time you share information or insight, you will share the information, other people will benefit, and you yourself, you're going to master what you're sharing. That is how knowledge works. Now, you understand how this setup works, but someone else understands a different thing you don't know about. You understand how trend lines and entry points or for such setups work, and someone else understands support and resistance, demand and supply. And in your community, get a couple of traders, a couple of people who are trading. They might be anywhere in the world: Denmark, India, Indonesia, German, USA, anywhere. They might be from South Africa or Kenya. Anywhere they are, try to link up with other people who trade and communicate and ask them, how do you enter a setup in this situation? Try to exchange information, and you will see, you will get surprised how far you're going to reach in your trading journey if you network with other traders and try to communicate how other people are trading. So this will be on your advantage. For example, we've seen a setup right here that was a trend and a break of trend to catch that short-term move, because there was still a support right there. Now there is another example right here which is totally different from what we have seen on the setup. This is a trend moving to the upward side. Every time price comes back to the trend, we see a rejection and a continuation. Now this is a different setup. This is a support, break of support, and rejection below the support. And here it's a break of this support and a demand zone, and a retest below the demand zone or this support area, which becomes a sell zone in this case, and there is a short-term trend right there. Now this is a different setup from this, and you might understand how this works, and someone else somewhere understand how this works. Now networking with other traders will help you try to get opportunities you wouldn't have got otherwise. Now if you look here, for example, we've been looking at break of structures and retests below or above those structures to create opportunities to open positions and follow the trend or the price where it's going. Now here it's a different case. There is a break, but it's a fake out. Price comes back above, and there is a break and price comes back above. What this means, price is creating a resistance along the same zones. Now this resistance will end up creating an opportunity such as this resistance right here, or supply this is not supply, a resistance right here creates an opportunity right here with this pin bar candle. It creates an opportunity to enter another sell position. Now look at what happens in the future here. This opportunity comes back and shows you impulse move pushing to the downward side, and you see the price falling in just a couple of days to follow. Now this took almost, let's say, from 8th till 16th, which is 8 days. Now this needs a lot of professionalism to capitalize on such a move. As you can see, this takes a lot of professionalism. It was very huge move, straight from 1,850 to 1,650. So that is 2,000 pips on a Ethereum USD. Now to catch such a big move, even if you bought one Ethereum, it will end up accumulatively 2,000 pips. That will be a very good $200, or that will be a very good whatever amount you'll have if you had purchased more Ethereums. So people who trade CFDs, they have an opportunity to open a position in Ethereum. Even though they have $300 in their account, they can open 4-5 positions of Ethereum, and this would have resulted into something really huge if anyone had explained to you what the market was doing at this point. Unequal supports but equal resistances. It means the market is resisting at the same exact point, but the supports are being broken, which indicates the price is moving to the downward side, even though you look at the resistance as the same. Now this is insight sometimes you don't know, but your peers and other friends or any traders across the entire world, they know about such things already. So try and network with other people. Try and look for traders online, communicate, invite people, chat, talk to other people. Don't sit in a corner and trade alone. Research, learn, practice, and implement what you learn, and try to communicate within your communities and groups so that you have the chance to be in the market and capitalize on different opportunities. So that was our video about creating a trading opportunity, learning from peer, and heading all the way up the food chain, becoming a pro, and enjoy your trading journey. So thanks for watching, guys. Keep it up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when we post a video, you always be the first to be notified. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep it up.